Hi, I'm Razia Fatima. I am from Hyderabad and I've done my undergraduation from Bose Reddy Engineering College in the stream of computer science, and I'm here today. Yeah. After me starting my classes in First Foundation Pro by Satyashree Sutari, each movement that she taught me, each movement with every eye shape or in every eyebrow shape, lip shape, face shape, there was I could call there were so many techniques that people are not aware of for making people look more pretty for what they already have, and she taught us the best techniques, and there are limitless techniques. I tell you, any problem you get with, she'll answer you, she'll solve it for us. And yeah, obviously her training is flawless. This is what she uses, and she is an amazing trainer. I tell you, you guys should be very fortunate. I am very fortunate to be trained by her in my field and my career. Okay, so after I started my classes, my base was done, my color corrections were done. Coming to the bro part, I really felt so nervous enough that I thought I cannot do this anymore. I used to cry every day saying, I can't do this, I'm unable to do this, ma'am. She used to tell me every day, you will become an expert in drawing your brows, and I promise you that yes, I am here in the market named as a bro artist rather than a makeup artist. I'm so, her training was so effective that you yourself will not understand, and yes, that you're coming here for makeup. It will automatically, unknowingly get into your head that yes, you can do the best job when you walk out of this First Foundation Pro after your graduation is done from here. Yeah, so Satyashi Srutari even gives the best marketing tips, I tell you. Before you walk out of the academy by getting your graduation done, she would take a 3-4 day class of marketing skills that you have to improve into the market. She tells you so many vendors, she will guide you in every path you go. You do this to get these clients, you have to do another thing to get so many views on Instagram, you upload pic every day, get tagged by so many people. She will unknowingly get you so much business, so many clients, so many views, so many reviews. And yes, her marketing strategies are to the next level that I've never even heard of with anybody else except Satyashree Sutari here. Okay, coming to the portfolio shoots, the biggest emotional challenge that I faced was, oh God, I have to go now. I have to leave the academy. That was painful because I was so attached to this academy, the training that I got here, the words, the fun that Satyashree, me, and all other colleagues had. It was amazing. So that was a very big emotional challenge for me to walk out of the academy into the market. Though I was very good enough and confident about me that yes, I can do something. Yes, I can do my best with her guidance in my life. And yeah, about the portfolio shoots, the rush. Satyashree always used to put us in pressure. 20 minutes may it has to be done, it has to be done, it has to be done. At the portfolio shoot time, we will actually understand on that day why she used to put us in pressure. She made her hands so quickly, we get the hand movements done so quickly. It's only because of the time that she restricted us. Yeah, and the portfolio shoots, the designers we wanted, the jewelry we wanted, the models we wanted for the shoot. We had to shoot 3 or 2 looks in a day, in few hours. And that is only because of the effective training that she gave me. She is the best. Now I can tell you that I have become a part of First Foundation Pro's family. I can proudly tell that the relationship, the bond that Satyashree Sutari keeps with their students, even if you're graduated, even if you're walked out into the market, even today when I'm doubtful with any of the client and I'm doubtful with any of the makeups I do, immediately I send her a picture and I'm like, are there any more, can I do anything else to improvise this? She tells me very immediately, even today. She was the most supportive lady. She always replied me very immediately. She's the one I can count on in makeup, no matter what. Obviously, she is my guru. She was my guru. She will be my guru. And thank you so much, Akka. I will never forget you for what you've taught me. And here I am today into the market with all the confidence, dealing with so many clients, traveling outdoors, out of station, out of states, and that is only because of you and the confidence that you gave me and the process that you told me. Just I cannot tell you how thankful I am in words. I am so thankful to you and the support that you gave me. I love you so much. Thank you.